Good morning, 5 o'clock, 4:49. Some buses are coming. We are at the feet of Masada. Now I need to find the ticket and start the hike if I find the route. Terrible night, by the way. I couldn't really sleep. Few weird dreams, but let's get the ticket and yeah, figure out where the route is and start hike for the sunrise here in Masada. There's only one car and one bus. I'm not sure if it's out of season or probably they're still arriving, but the ticket office to get the entrance ticket opens at 5:30, just if you hike in the morning. So that's what I'm doing. The normal office, ticket office, opens at 8. Of course I couldn't find the route I wanted, so we can't go on the Mount Eleazar, which is the mountain in front of Masada. So we need to go on Masada and take the sunrise from there, unfortunately. Still gonna be good, but I wanted to have Masada in the shot. So basically there's just a bunch of people, young people, for the hike, maybe 30, let's say a couple of cars, and that's all you see in the morning. I tried the detour as soon as I started and that killed me and it wasn't very safe, so I'm on the main path, which is the snake path, which is actually the one the Romans used to do. So as soon as we get up there, I'll give you a bit of history about the place. I reckon the sun is gonna come out soon, so I better find a spot with the camera and I need to set up the camera. Okay, tip guys. First of all, the entrance was 31 shekels, around £8. The tip is not to rush, take your pace. I made the mistake to try a different route and then I'm rushing now to get there in time. And it's killing me, I'm so out of shape. Another tip guys, water. Carry as much as you can. I've got half liter already, half gone. So recommend a liter at least if you want to walk down as well. There's the cable car. In terms of what to wear, I had a hoodie, a jacket and a long sleeve t-shirt. Way too much. You're gonna sweat off. So if you want to carry a light hoodie, one of those technical ones, and t-shirt, you'll be fine, man, even in the morning. I can't believe we are here. Hello. Okay, I just asked this kind security guard where the sun will be. It's a watchtower, so I guess we can. So this is the tower. The sun is coming out in 5 minutes, which I need to set up the camera. Let's go, let's see. Okay, I'm setting up the time lapse. Well, it's not the very clear day, but the sun will come out soon. I can see the pink over there coming out. I think we were supposed to be somewhere there today, this morning, but I couldn't find the route. So anyway, yeah, there's a few people, probably around 40 people here, a couple of guards. The view is stunning. Yeah, definitely worth it. I don't know if you're a hiker, yes. It was really, I felt sick a couple of times, to be honest, the way up. So finally, what is Masada? So Masada used to be King Herod's palace, winter palace, and this place was full of cisterns and storerooms and anything he needed, so it was a very rich place. To give a bit of context in terms of timeline, Herod ruled from the 37 before Christ to the 4. So now you might ask, why is Masada so known for? After Herod's death, a community of 950 people still lived here. In 73 and 74 the Romans came. The place was rich, full of water and the storage and anything they could have possibly need. And also, you know, Romans, they were just hungry for blood, so they wanted to get the place. Now this community of 950 people could not possibly fight the 8,000 soldiers of the Roman Empire. The Romans built 8 camps at the feet of the mount and also a siege wall all around, basically. The mount is surrounded by a canyon, and what the Romans did also, because coming up here was very difficult, they created a ramp, a siege ramp, and those works lasted for months. So as they were getting closer to the place, the people, the community started to throw stones and defend themselves as they could. Through this ramp they built, the Romans could approach the wall, and with the battery ram they destroyed the wall. There was a second wall made of wood, so they put the wood on fire and they could reach the town. As soon as they got into the city, they found the unexpected. The community living here, instead of surrendering to the Romans, they decided to kill themselves. So when the Roman arrived, they found completely silent and everyone was already dead. What happened here? The community decided to choose 10 people to kill all the rest, and then one remaining person to kill the other 9 out of the 10. The remaining person at the end should have killed themselves. I'm not sure if there's anyone left in here, guys. I think people just come for the view. They don't really care about the history of the place. So about the clothing, I was telling you, I was wearing a hoodie and a jacket as I am now. So during the hike, I wanted to take everything off, but now it's quite breezy, so you might need both. So the site opens at 8 in terms if you want to come here with a cable car. If you want to hike in the morning, then you pay the entrance at 5:30 and then you hike up and you can have a look at the site as well. I'm just getting the cable car to get down. So for the cable car, I paid 28 shekels, which is around 5-6 pounds. So I can't walk anymore, I need the rest. Let's go to the Dead Sea and see the salty shores. So with the ticket of the cable car, you actually have an entrance to the museum. Let's get the engine roll. Let's go. Dead Sea, we're gonna look for the salty shore, see if we can get some nice shots there. There's a dead tree island apparently, where there's a tree implanted in the sea. Of course, it couldn't be living on its own, so a guy every day goes there and gives nutrients to the plant to make it survive. So it's in the middle of the sea, though I'm not sure if I can get there, and it's not very warm to swim today, but let's explore the shores. So I stayed on top of Mount Masada for around 3 hours taking photos and videos, and also there's a lot of nice canyons around. So if you are into photography and filming and you want to explore, definitely you need at least half day just here. Then Engedi was another half day to me, and I'm going to the Dead Sea now. It just depends on how much time you spend, you know, looking around, and I take a lot of time because every turn I just stop and take photos and videos and set up the camera, so it really takes me a lot of time. Just reached these famous salty shores here on the Dead Sea, and I found the Dead Tree Island, so this tiny island with the tree I was telling you about. It's literally in front of all the hotels. I touched the water, it's not too cold, but the breeze doesn't want to make me go in the water. So I don't think I will, but I'll take a shot for you from here. This is also a 15-20 minutes drive from Masada, so not too far, but in summertime you'll be luckier than I am, because now it's winter, it's January, so I can see the tree there. The Dead Tree Island is actually probably 100 meters away from the beach, so you need to swim there or send your drone. Right guys, that was the only breeze of life in the Dead Sea, and the sun is out, the color of the water changed so much better now, it's blue and clear. And let's go for the salty shores, take a couple of shots there and then have a nut. So here guys is where I wanted to go.